Portable AC units get judged almost entirely on one thing that spec sheets bury: actual cooling capacity versus the BTU number printed on the box, which don't always match in real rooms. Quick flag before we start. 2 units on this list are both SereneLife at the same 8000 BTU rating, and they look close enough to be the same core unit under different listings, so I'll treat that honestly instead of pretending they're distinct products. New to TechBee? We cover tech honestly, including telling you when 2 listings are basically the same product. Subscribe if that's useful. Whynter built a real reputation specifically in the portable AC space, and the NEX ARC-1230WN reflects that, with noticeably strong actual cooling performance that holds up closer to its rated BTU than many competitors manage. The dual hose design pulls double duty. One hose exhausts hot air, while the other draws in fresh air for combustion, which meaningfully improves cooling efficiency compared to single hose units that constantly pull already cooled room air back through the unit. Noise level is noticeably lower than budget competitors, which actually matters if this is running in a bedroom overnight. Build quality feels solid, and the price reflects that. This sits at the premium end of this list. For anyone who wants the closest thing to real cooling performance matching the rated BTU, this is the strongest pick here. The strongest actual cooling performance on this list, priced at the premium end to match. Link below. Midea's Duo line uses a distinctly different compressor design than the other units on this list, positioned horizontally rather than vertically, which the company claims improves efficiency and reduces noise. And in practice, it does run noticeably quieter than typical single-hose portable units. At 12,000 BTU, this has real capacity headroom for larger rooms that the smaller capacity units on this list simply can't cool as effectively. The dual hose intake and exhaust system works similarly to the Whynter above, improving actual cooling efficiency over single hose designs. Size and weight are real considerations here. This is bulkier than the smaller capacity units on this list, a fair trade-off for the added cooling power. For larger rooms where smaller units simply won't keep up, this delivers the capacity to actually handle it. The highest capacity pick here, best for larger rooms the smaller units can't cool. Link below. Hisense leans into a noticeably sleeker tower design here compared to the boxier units elsewhere on this list, which matters if this is going to sit visibly in a living space rather than tucked in a corner. Cooling performance is competent, not class-leading. Single hose design means some efficiency loss compared to the dual hose Whynter and Midea above, but perfectly adequate for small to medium rooms. The remote and app control add real everyday convenience, letting you adjust settings without getting up, which sounds minor until you're actually using it regularly during a hot week. Noise level is moderate, noticeably louder than the Whynter above, but not obnoxious for daytime use. For anyone who wants a portable AC that looks intentional rather than purely utilitarian, this earns real consideration. Best looking unit on this list? Solid, not class-leading cooling efficiency. Link below. Worth being upfront here. This SereneLife unit and the other SereneLife listing later on this list are both rated at 8000 BTU and appear to be the same core hardware, possibly sold under 2 separate listings rather than actually distinct products, so it's worth comparing pricing between the 2 directly before choosing. Cooling performance at this capacity handles small rooms adequately, though single hose efficiency loss means actual cooling falls short of the rated BTU the way it does on most budget units in this category. Build quality is basic but functional, and the price sits at the accessible end of this list. For anyone shopping specifically on price for a small room, this covers that need. Just check both SereneLife listings for whichever has the better price or bundle at the time you're buying. Compare directly against the other SereneLife listing below before buying either one. Link below. Flagging this again clearly. This is the second SereneLife listing at the same 8000 BTU rating as the SLPAC8 above, and based on the specs, this looks like the same core unit rather than a meaningfully different product. Rather than repeating the same performance breakdown twice, the real advice here is practical. Check current pricing on both this listing and the SLPAC8 above, since pricing and included accessories sometimes differ between separate listings of essentially the same hardware, even when the actual air conditioner inside is identical. Whichever listing has the better price or bundle at the moment you're buying is the one to actually purchase. Same core unit as the SLPAC8 above. Compare pricing between both listings before buying either. Link below. If this saved you from accidentally comparing the same SereneLife unit against itself, the subscribe button helps a lot. All 5 links and current pricing are below, and worth comparing the 2 SereneLife listings against each other specifically before buying. If you've run one of these through a real summer, tell us whether actual cooling matched the rated BTU. That matters more than the number on the box.